Once upon a time, Albert Einstein had a driver who was very witty. The driver used to attend all of Einstein's lectures and listen to them very attentively. Gradually, the driver memorized all of Einstein's lectures. One day, Einstein fell ill, but he had to give an important lecture. Sitting in the car, Einstein said to his driver, "I am unwell today, but today's lecture is very important. I can't miss it." The driver, smiling, said, "Sir, after listening to your lectures so many times, I have memorized them too. Now I can give a lecture just like you." Einstein smiled and said, "That's a great idea. Today, you become Einstein, and I'll become the driver." The driver hesitated, "But sir, what if people recognize me?" Einstein replied, "Don't worry, nobody knows me there." The driver agreed and began delivering the lecture, pretending to be Einstein, while the real Einstein sat at the back, dressed as the driver. The driver gave the lecture so skillfully that everyone was impressed. But then, a professor asked a very difficult question, one that the driver didn't know the answer to. After thinking for a moment, the driver said, "Oh, that's a very easy question. Even my driver knows the answer to that." Saying this, the real Einstein stood up and answered the question. This story teaches us that by being in the right company, we can learn a lot and improve ourselves.